Hey, what's up? It's James. Okay, so we've got our pile of laundry, and we're going to start talking about sorting through laundry. And what I want to discuss for this little segment right now is the tags on your clothing, which is a pretty easy way to figure out what needs to happen with the clothing. And once you kind of learn the basics, you'll kind of understand what items can and can't be washed, what items can be washed together, what items you shouldn't dry, etc. So let's see. The first one I've got here is just this cool shirt from Patagonia, and you can flip up the tag and kind of figure out care instructions. And this one just says wash dark colors separately, do not use fabric softener, which I've been using fabric softener, so oh well. But alright, there's that one. Got a hoodie right here. It's just like a Hanes, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. When you flip it over, it says machine wash warm with light colors, bleach when needed, tumble dry medium. So that's going to be okay to go in with other whites, and then we can put it in the wash, and then we can put it into the dryer at some point.